Good morning. Welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. And by good morning, I mean 11:12. You guys know I don't get these started very early. I like to be ready. Mornings are so crazy around here. I try to wake up and get stuff picked up. I always have a bajillion comments from the night before, and then whatever video is going live, and then we typically have homeschool, which homeschool is done, and I'm so excited. I always get a lot of questions since we homeschool why we don't do year-round school, and it's because we both need a break. We both need time to breathe and relax, and we follow pretty much the same school schedule as the schools around us. So if she has friends that are off school, we take off. So spring break, Christmas break, we try to do around the same thing. Now if there's a random one day off, we don't take those just because we don't do Friday. And if we do take it because she's hanging out with her friends, then we do a makeup on Friday because we only do school 4 days a week. So I don't know how I went into that, but that's what's going on. Oh, and another update, I told you guys in last Wednesday's video about my Invisalign. They called yesterday. I actually have an appointment today. I'll be going in. But they told me how many trays I had, and I legit cried. It's just so stressful. So in the beginning, they told me this would be 7 months, max 10. And those last 3 months were optional if I wanted to go. And I was supposed to finish up before Christmas was the original date, which didn't happen. And then I thought I would be done before vacation, and that didn't happen. And now they called back and said I have 13 trays, which I wear for 2 weeks, which is 6.5 months. So I'm like, okay. So I'm just gonna take it one day at a time and go from there. So today I have to go back in. The worst part is the buttons, not so much putting them on, but just having them on your teeth is miserable. So I'm gonna go in today and have that done. We also have to take Tiger in. I always get a lot of questions about Tiger and how we take care of him. And I mentioned that we go to a clinic for his heartworm medication and testing and the shots that he needs because it's so much cheaper than going into a vet, and it's that time of year. So I'm going to be taking him in, so I'll vlog some of that. It's normally mad chaos because it's cheaper, and so everybody comes in with their dogs. And you know how that goes. There's big dogs, little dogs. They love each other. They hate each other. So I'm gonna do the best I can trying to protect my little guy. But yeah, we're gonna do that. And normally I go, if you go at 1, today they're open from 1 to 4. It's only twice a week with different hours. And normally if I go right around 1, most people are at work, so it's not as busy. But I have this today, so I'm gonna be going towards the end of it, which is when people are off work and out of school. So it tends to be a little bit crazier, but I'll take you guys along to do that. And I know I have some other stuff, but I'm not sure yet. Oh, this is a collab. That's what I'm supposed to be doing. This is a collab with Lynn, and guys, she is a sweet mama of 2 boys, and she's got a really neat channel, so definitely head on over there after watching my video today. And she just moved, I want to say 4 or 5 months ago, so she's doing a lot of decorating and organizing and kind of stuff like that, which I know you guys love because you love those videos on my channel. So definitely go show her some love and tell her I sent you when you're done watching mine. And if you're new, hello, welcome. My name is Ashley. I'm so excited to have you. I hope you enjoy my channel. If you do, please subscribe. And now let's get started. Okay, and here is what I'm wearing today. This is just a top I got from Target, and then these are my Spanx jeggings that I love, and then my shoes are from TJ Maxx. It's been weird around here because it got really warm for a little while, and then yesterday was cold. It was in the 50s, and today's in the low 60s, and so I'll probably even put on a light jacket with this, but that's why I don't have you know, shorts on. Or if you guys watched yesterday's cleaning video, I literally had a sweater on and leggings because it's legit kind of chilly here, especially after you get used to the warm weather. So this is what I'm wearing today. Okay, now I'm gonna head in here. I need to make my bed in here and then do a little kitchen cleanup from breakfast real quickly.
Kiss still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting.
trying to be very careful with my camera angles today because we have been adding touches of gold into our house. And you guys have seen little like sneak peeks, and there's even a few in yesterday's cleaning video that like I tried different angles, but to clean my house, you guys had to see maybe a few. So you can definitely go check that out, see if you can find them. The reason I haven't showed you yet is I'm still waiting for a few things to come in. So I'm not just like being mean, but I just want to show you all at once. And I'm hoping this Friday to put up a video showing everything we did and how we did it, because some of it's been like DIY. We've been spray painting, we've been buying things. My biggest dilemma, which is what I'm still having, is my bar stools over here. I keep telling you guys I want new ones, and you guys are so sweet. You guys keep sending me some, and those are actually the ones I want. It's not that I can't find them, it's that I can't justify the price yet. I kept thinking if I held out, sorry, my dishwasher's on. If I held out long enough, I would find some that I could just DIY, because I can totally like spray paint some gold, add some white fluffy fur, not a big deal. And I wanted to show you guys how to do that, but I cannot find any. I have been on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace for days, garage selling. We're gonna go garage selling it tomorrow, and if I can't find them, then I'm just gonna like, I think I'm just gonna bite the bullet and buy some. But I've gotta know one more time. So I'm gonna get out tomorrow and see if I can find any, because I just rather buy them and DIY them. But if I can't, I've given myself time. But that's why I'm being weird with the camera angles today.
Taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life and what you give. It's worth it when you're holding me, when you hold me so close. I'm withering under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. You're my
Okay, for lunch, I'm just having rice. We made chicken and rice last night. I actually have a video posted of me making that. But I'm not a huge chicken, I'm just not a huge meat person. I eat it, but I don't love it, especially like the next day. So I just heated up the rice and then added salt and pepper. I always get questions about our salt. It's Himalayan salt. It's better for you. So it's called the pink salt. You can buy it at like Ross, Dollar Tree, or like any other store, but those cheaper places do sell it if you're looking for it.
leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life than I would.
So Savannah was sick of sandwiches for lunches, and I don't blame her, so I'm gonna make her nachos. This is a really easy meal to do, especially in the summer. I just used, you know, like chips and then added some cheese. This is what I used. And I actually have like taco meat. You could do onions. There's all sorts of things you could do for adults, but of course kids just like this. She requested bacon though, so I'm gonna heat that up and put it on top after I stick this in the oven for everything to melt. Okay, this is Savannah's lunch. Does it look good? Uh-huh. Okay guys, we're in here watching YouTube. I love, love, love Alex and Michael. And they just filmed a video where they went out to eat like fast food meals for 3 different meals, and they ordered what the person in front of them ordered, and they had to like eat it and try it. Would you guys want to see that on my channel? I guess it's like a YouTube thing. Like a lot of people do it. So definitely leave it down below in the comment section if you want me and Chase and Savannah to like choose 3 different restaurants, and we'll literally order what the person in front of us ordered, and we'll try it and see if we like it. I think it sounds so fun. I love their channel. Definitely check them out. Okay, it is 1:15 now. We're leaving. I got Savannah. She's gonna go to Nani's house while I go to the dentist. We have a tiger because after the dentist I have to pick him up and we have to go to like the vet clinic. And then if I remember, I've got a load back here for Goodwill, so I'm gonna try to remember to do that on the way home. Maybe Savannah can help remind me. So now we're off. Okay, now I'm sitting in the car, stalling to go in. I've been listening to my Christian radio and then answering your guys' comments on today's video, but I'm about to go in there, so this is the last time you'll see my teeth without buttons for a while. I'm gonna miss it. They take them off to like send in some of your like placing of your teeth so we can go round 3, and so they remove them, and oh, it feels so good just to have normal teeth that I do not want to go back in there. And I always get a ton. They say some people have like 1 or 2 buttons. I always have like 25. Maybe not that many, but I think close to it. So I'm scared to go in and see how many I have, but I'll be right back. Okay, it's been about 35 minutes. I had to get 20 buttons. It's like, I just cannot win with this Invisalign. He said there's very few people, but sometimes they'll come in and have none, and you are so grateful. If you've done Invisalign and don't have to have these buttons, you are so lucky. So those are done. I'm gonna go pick up Savannah and Tiger, and now we're gonna head to Southern Agriculture. That's where we do the clinic, and I think all of them have it, and they just have like vets that come in just on special days, and ours is twice a week that it comes in, so it's nice. Like when it's time to have it done, you know, you don't have to make an appointment. You can just go in during those times, so it always works out well. So let's head on and go get them. Okay, buddy, it's time. Mommy had the dentist, now you have to go visit the little vet inside the clinic. I know. I know you don't want to. I don't want to make you, but we have to keep you healthy. Poor guy, he knows. Poor Tiger. The vet gave him some treats to give him. We have to wait about 10 minutes to get the results. Look, Tiger. Tiger. Look, you want a piece of treat? Yeah. That was so nice.
Want some more? Yeah.
That was so sweet of them. It's really calm in here today. It's normally a huge line, but we still have to wait to get the test results back. So we're just sitting here. Okay, we just made it out to the car. My hair's crazy. That's always so intense in there, even when there's not a lot of dogs. I don't know. I always leave there a little bit stressed, but I know you guys are going to be wondering about prices. So for his rabies shot for the year, it was $12. And then for his heartworm test, which we do once a year, was $30. And then for his heartworm medicine, I go ahead and buy it for the full year. You can buy it every 6 months, but it's just really hard to remember. But you can only buy it 1 year at a time because you have to have the test done every year. So you can buy enough for 12 months, and it came to $60, and then they always give me a $5 off for coming back, so I got it down to $55. And then if I go home and make a copy of the receipt and send in like the packaging, I think we get a rebate around like $10, maybe a little less, a little more. So just so you guys kind of know, and that's pretty much all he needs other than like food and water and grooming. He's pretty low key, I feel like, so that's not terrible when you think that's like for the year. But he is definitely ready to go home. Are you ready to go home now, boy? Are you ready? I know. I'm so sorry. Okay, Chase just called and he is on his way home, and he's gonna take us out to Olive Garden. So I wanted to show you like how I dress up my outfit. So this is like the same gray shirt and black pants. I did throw on this like lightweight jacket. Like I said today, it's just a little bit chilly, and as the evening goes it gets chillier. Plus in restaurants I'm always cold. This is from TJ Maxx. I got it a couple years ago and it was like $9.99. I have a few different styles in them. This was a necklace I got for Christmas a few years ago, and I love it. It's just like simple but makes a statement. And then I threw on some heels. These are from Payless. All the Paylesses are like going out of business, so they have really good sales. So I got these in black and like a blush like soft pink color. But I just wanted to show you like how you can dress up outfits. I know you guys always talk about like wanting to see more outfit videos. They're just kind of hard to film. Like I don't know what to do, so I try to show you in my vlogs just like basics. So just keep layering basics is kind of my goal, and then throw in some like really cute accessories, and then that's how you dress it up. Okay, we are pulling into Olive Garden now, which if you're new, I love Olive Garden.
That's our jam.
And if you're new, this is my husband, Chase.
Hey.
And then that's Savannah. I haven't really showed her too much. But okay, now we're gonna head into dinner. Okay, so we finished up dinner and we're gonna head by Ross. I'm still looking for bar stools for our kitchen, and they normally get new shipments in every Friday. So we normally go to Olive Garden and then come over here, but I'm hoping and praying there's something in there, but I doubt it.
We'll see. Maybe so.
Let's go. I want these. Mr. tilvacuumdouspart isn't sure. Okay, we're headed home now, and I'm gonna go ahead and end this here because I'm gonna switch over and start filming some of Friday's video. So definitely be on the lookout for that if you want to see all the gold touches we're making. And then don't forget to head on over to Lynn's channel and check her out and let her know I sent you. And if you're new, I would love for you to subscribe and join my family here on YouTube. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.